Tattoo tour on Gaelic is Vurla. This symbol in my ribs, fashion a me, it says stronger in shorthand. I had to learn shorthand as part of my journalism training. Vlienichen is Vlienichen Irash. In Afi me, this entire sleeve, done by the talented Dave on an Dunje ik Strajbanka. Ha Kerabain acting, ha Murchech acting, Svirhalai me. I've got the manta rays on the inner tricep, and the whale in space here. Hoekig me fashk the vuur on a Galav, and the ocean and all the weird stuff in it has fascinated me on a Vamiok. It's Mochassen, it says slow down. Ryan, wet your jaws, gach piece. Got it because I like to be working when Huarst Kiet project in Econonaum, and this was a reminder for me to chill out and also to drive safely. Lewis Holmes, ha Esching Asagaeltoch Kudjoch, Achvai on an Worcester Econoum, Ryan if he's on my right arm 2023. It's stunning, ties in many themes of my home in Caithness. Skull on the tricep, I can't actually see this piece. Vashin shrew tattoo on an dun fjärling ach haie down in Dunation. The football goals from the pitch I played on every day for about 17 years. Tapalev do Graham vo Arcadian on the Dunjay. He also did the Linkin Park Hybrid Theory Soldier on my leg. Greatest album of all time. Definitely the most defining for me. Heard me a Fishaw, yeah, Rien, when I was in Barcelona on holiday. Reminds me everything is better when the sun is out. Agus an lav, this was done by the talented Sophia on an Donation. She hand drew it, no stencils, no nothing, just pure talent. And she's going to continue it onto the PAM in July. Evolve.